Why do some girls easily catch a guy's attention while others don't? What is the secret to true attraction? In this video, we'll reveal 10 key tips that will make your dream guy irresistibly drawn to you. 1. Be confident. The most attractive quality in a girl is her confidence. When you love yourself, others will love you too. 2. Maintain a neat and well-groomed appearance. You don't have to wear expensive clothes, but being clean, well-dressed, and having a unique style can make you more appealing. 3. Be mysterious. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. A little mystery makes guys more eager to get to know you. 4. Stay positive and energetic. No one enjoys being around negative people. If you are cheerful, friendly, and full of energy, you'll attract more attention. 5. Don't give him too much attention. If you constantly chase a guy, he might lose interest. Let him make some effort to win your attention. 6. Say meaningful things. Avoid shallow conversations. If you can talk about deep and interesting topics, guys will never forget you. 7. Be independent. A guy who truly values you will be drawn to a girl who has her own life, goals, and is not overly dependent. 8. Smile and be playful. A smile makes you look more attractive. Having a good sense of humor is also one of the biggest secrets to winning a guy's heart. 9. Be accessible, but not too much. If you are always available, you may lose your charm. Create a little challenge so he puts in effort to win you over. 10. Be your true self. In the end, nothing is more attractive than being yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Real attraction comes from authenticity. So remember, confidence, positive energy, a bit of mystery, and independence make you truly irresistible. What qualities do you find attractive in a girl? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next exciting video.